Good morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class. We are continuing exercise 11.4 ratio and applications. See that, children, I have explained you what is proportion and what is unitary method. So all these questions based on exercise 11.4 based on unitary method as well as proportion, children. What is unitary method also I have explained you. First you have to find the cost of one article, then find the cost of required number of articles. See, if the cost of 3 apples, given cost of 3 apples is 45. So what is that, children? Is dealing about the apples and cost in rupees. So how many cost of 3 apples? 45 rupees. Is asking you find the 5 apples rate. So 5 apples rate we don't know. So we can take it as x. Okay, children. Go for the cross multiplication, beta. 3 into x is equal to 45 into 3. X is equal to, into will go to that side. What will happen? Plus becomes minus, minus become plus, into comes divides, isn't it? 45 into 5, children, it is 45 into 5 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 15s are. So x is equal to 15 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5, 75. So what is the cost of? Therefore, cost of 5 apples is equal to rupees 75. This question, same question you can do as this way also. 3 apples cost is rupees 45. So what is the 5 apples cost? So first you have to find the cost of 1 apple, that is unitary method I said now. So rate by number of given articles, that is 45 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. So cost of 1 apple is 15 rupees. So what is the cost of 5 apples rate? So apples is equal to cost into cost of 1 apple into 5. That again you will get 75 rupees. So same as it is. In this way also you can do, or in this way also you can do. Whichever you feel easy, go for that. Question number 2, see, children. Cost of 7 books. Given cost of 7 books is 56 rupees. Find the cost of 3 books. So he is dealing about the books as well as cost. Cost in rupees. So 7 books cost is rupees 56. Cost of 3 books we don't know. So whatever we don't know we are imagining as x. Any variable. This into this, this into this. So 7 into x is equal to 3 into 56. This into this, this into this. So x is equal to, this 7 will go to the side. Definitely it will divides. So 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. So x is equal to 3 into 8. So x is equal to 24. Therefore cost of 3 books is nothing but books is equal to rupees 24. Same, see the question number 3, children. She is preparing the palau, children. One girl, Reena, is preparing the palau for 4 people. She took 300 grams of rice. For 4 people, she took 300 grams of rice. If she want to prepare for 7 people, how much rice she required? So solution is asking you number of people here. Is dealing about the question about number of people and rice in grams. So for 4 people, how much rice required? 300 grams of rice required. For 7 people, we have to find that. Imagine as x. This into this, this into this. So 4 into x is equal to 7 into 300, isn't it? So x is equal to 7 into 300 divided by 4. 4 ones are cancel up and down. 4 5s are, just go through the division ma. 2 0 4 5s are 20. So 75, isn't it? So x is equal to 7 into 75. Multiply, children. 75 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 7s are 49, 50, 51, 52. So here 525. So write down the statement that required 7 people required. For 7 people it requires 525 grams of rice. Okay, children. See the question number 6, children. I have not written the question, only the thing. Question read out. The given income of the Kumar for 3 months. He gave, what is that given, children? Income of the Kumar for 3 months, 15,000. And the first question is asking his income for 5 months. How many months he will take to earn 95,000? So here it's dealing about months and earning. So his income in rupees. For 3 months he is earning 15,000. For 5 months, first question, for 5 months how much he will earn? That you take it as, imagine as x. So 3 into x, 5 into 15,000. 3 into x is equal to 5 into 15,000. So x is equal to 3 will go to that side. It divides 5 into 15,000 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are 15, 0 0 0. So his earning per month 5,000. 5 into 5,000 per month. For 1 month he is earning 5,000. For 5 months multiply with 5. So he is earning how much, children? 25,000 for how many months? For 5 months. He is earning, okay, you can write statement. He earns rupees 25,000 for 5 months. Now one more question is asking. Second bit I'll explain you here. Second bit he's asking in how many months he can earn 95,000. Again he's asking about dealing about months and income. For 1 month he is earning how much, children? How much he is earning? 5,000 rupees. For 1 month he is earning 5,000 rupees. For how many months he will take to earn 95,000? So if you don't know, you are imagining as x. This into this, this into this. 1 into 95,000 is equal to x into 5,000. We need to find the value of x. So send this to that side. Again into will go to that side. LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. It divides 5,000 is equal to x. Cancel the zeros. Cancel the zeros. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5. 5 nines are 45. So 19 is equal to x. He will take, therefore he will take 19 months or 1 year 7 months to earn rupees 95,000. Why it is 1 year 7 months, children? 19 months means 12 months is equal to 1 year plus 7 months. So go through the video very attentively, children. So this is important question. So go through it very carefully and complete the notes. The question number 7, see, children. Cost of 7 meters cloth is 294 rupees. What is the cost of 5 meters cloth? So here meters of cloth and cost. Cloth in meters and cost. 7 meters cloth, how much, children? 294. 5 meters cloth is asking you to find. So this into this, this into this. 7 into x is equal to 294 into 5. X is equal to 294 into 5 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. 1 will come and sit here. 7 twos are 40. X is equal to 42 into 5. So multiply, children. 42 into 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 fours are 20. 210. So rupees 210. So cost of 5 meters cloth is 210 rupees. So complete your notes. Complete your homework part. Remaining question whichever are left, that is homework part. Complete it and send it me on my personal window. Thank you.